Righto. It's recording, hopefully. All right. Okay, so are we recording? I wonder. Yeah. Recording in progress. Yes. Okay, not a problem. All right. Okay, so go into how do you get into Google Drive, Roger?
I typed it in up the top there.
Yeah, go on. No. Okay.
Log in.
Yeah. No, not log in. We just want to go in. You're
Not log in.
logged in,
Okay.
right? Okay.
Go back.
No, it doesn't matter. It probably would have gone in there. It doesn't matter. Have a go.
Google Drive.
Just Google Drive.
Here we are. Okay.
Okay. So go to the one on the right-hand side in your case, the one that says Google Drive, that one, click there, yeah. Okay. Righto. So go to Google Drive, we want to do that.
Where do you want me to go?
It says go on the right-hand side near the blue block. It says go to Google Drive. On that left-hand side says it twice. Poor old Google confusing me, aren't they? I tell people to click on something on the left and the right, and it's in both places. All right. So this particular time we want to create a new folder. So can you remember somewhere where it said something about a new folder, Roger? Yep. New. What's it say under that?
File folder. Oh, yeah. Upload. Oh, no, well,
there's file,
just that one.
And there's new folder.
Yeah,
it just gives it a name, so you can give it whatever. Just like you create a folder on your own computer, you can give it a name. Okay. All right.
Righto.
You got two S's in test, Roger, but it's up to you.
Yeah,
that's the way I would spell it. No, I spell it with letters there. Okay.
See, I was thinking of Tesla. Oh, but Tesla. That's only one S too.
Okay. So there we are. So you'll notice, all right, we've done that, and you've got another one. Just cancel that.
Well, where's the first one gone?
There it is.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah. I've got too many.
Okay. So how do you think you go into a folder?
Open it.
Yeah, there you are. And you'll notice that this says something else in this folder that's empty. It says drop files here. You can actually go into your file explorer on your computer, grab a series of files and drag them and drop them there, and automatically upload them to Google Drive. So there's another way of doing it. All right.
So is that a new feature we didn't see? Is that a new feature we didn't see earlier? Because I updated this computer this morning with upgrades.
That's been in Google Drive forever.
Right? Oh, okay.
You can always click and drag stuff to Google Drive. Well, I don't know about forever, but for a long time I use it quite a bit. Okay. Oh. So that's how to create a folder in Google Drive and that, and obviously to remove a folder. Okay, you can't remove a folder that you're currently in. So if you go back one, where it says My Drive, up the top where the number, so there, click on there, no, not the number, left there, okay, and you'll see where it says 206 test. If you click on, right click on that, you can remove it. Okay, it's now gone. Actually, it's not gone, it's in the recycle bin.
Yeah.
Okay, and notice down the bottom it's giving you the ability to do the remove, right?
How do you get to a folder, Jeff? From here, say you're on there and you want to get to a folder and drag it into that. How can you get to it from here?
Okay, quite simple. Let's do that. Create a new folder, Roger. Just call it a test folder.
Yep. Oh, there we are.
Just test will do.
Yeah, test.
Click on
create.
Okay, all right.
Now, do you want me to?
No.
Give it
just
a go.
Where it says test. Click on that.
Yep.
No, it says drop files here. So if Roger now goes down to down on on his taskbar to the little yellow icon, one to the left of that again. That's there. Click there.
Oh, right. Yep.
Click there.
Yeah.
There we are. Okay. Let's open up. He could go into any of his files or folders.
Yeah.
So you got something with just something small in it, Rog, somewhere? Some small, a whole lot of small files.
They're all PDFs and things here. Let's.
Don't want something big. Okay, I'll tell you what we do. Well, under pictures, just right click on pictures. and say new folder, and it's given it a name, new folder. Where did it go? Untitled. All right. Let's grab those 2 untitled ones. That'll do. Recent files, untitled. Oh no, they're tech. This I don't know. I just wanted to. Where's your new folder? You click.
Here. Well, no, it's not. Where is it? Yeah.
Go into pictures again and do new. Pictures. Right click.
There's the new folder.
Okay, go into there. Just right click there. No, in the white area. Right click there. Just go down to new again. And go down to text document. Second from the bottom. And click on it. Okay, click again in the white area. Go down to new again. Text document again. I'm just creating 2 text documents that they're empty. There's nothing in them. All right, to show you how it works, Chris. Click on the first one, Roger. No, one on the, oh, it doesn't matter. And then hold the shift key down and click on the second one.
Shift go downs. Yep.
They're both highlighted. Now just put the mouse pointer anywhere on them and drag them down to your Google Chrome thing. Where the hell is it? Where's your Google Chrome icon on the desktop? Oh, there it is with the H on the left there. Just don't let the mouse go. Don't just point at it. Point at it. No, that next one to the right. Just point at it. Don't let the mouse go. Now go up to where it says no.
Well, I've got to select these now. Okay, I've got them. Go to there.
Yep. Move. No, don't let the mouse go. Hold the mouse. Go up to where it says test. The one on the right. The one on the right. No, the little icon on the right. Okay. Go down again and point to the Google Chrome thing. Go down and point at Google Chrome. But don't let the mouse go. Point at the window, the little window that's on the right. Just point at it. Keep the mouse
pointing at that.
There. Now move it to where it says drag to here. Move to where it says
files.
Yeah. Move to over where it says drag drop there. Keep going.
Files.
Up a little bit higher. Up a bit higher so it's in that area.
Okay.
Okay. Now let it go. And it says uploading to item. Starting upload. Finished. Done. That's how you do it, Chris.
Yeah,
okay. Just do that. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So
I didn't realise you could have the window for your early documents and stuff. Such a small window. Then I could work it out from there. Yeah.
Okay. So what we've actually done is Roger's actually created a new folder. Then we went back to his computer, we just created some blank files so we could do it. I wanted to do it with something relatively small, right?
Yeah.
And all you did was then select the files and click and drag them. And the important thing is you drag down to the taskbar. You do not let a lot of people drag down to the taskbar and let it go. It doesn't work. You've got to drag to the taskbar. It'll open up that window. Then you move into the window and then let it go. You don't let go until you're in the window. All right?
I get it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you.
I will see if I can pause this recording. How does that? Recording in progress. Open the recorder to manage recordings. Okay. Going to pause it. Resuming for a screen for a few seconds and then pause again. So now Chris is actually uploaded a file, all right, and now she wants to share it with the rest of us, all right. So it's already there. We're looking at it. It's called files. It's called test.txt. We don't know how to do it. So she's going to go up to support there. So click on support, Chris. Yep. Go to help. And in a minute, the help comes up. It says upload files, good, download a file, share file folders in Google Drive. Okay, so click on that. Yep, click on that. Okay, and that tells you all about how to do it. And it tells you a whole lot of information to start with, and then it'll have point numbers underneath. You drag down on the scroll bar there to the right. It says computer, Android, or iPhone. So if you want to know how to do this on a phone, you'd click on Android, but we don't. We're just going to go computer. So just keep scrolling down. All right. It says specific people. So we can share with specific people. anyone with a link to the folder or a group of specific people. So you can have a read of this a little bit later on when you want to do it. But anyway, we want to do it with anyone with a link to a folder. So click on that one.
Anyone with it? Yeah.
Yeah, click the little down arrow there, yeah. So you can give other people a link to your folder so you don't have to add email addresses when you share your folders. On the computer, go to googledrive.com, click on the folder you want to share, click share. At the top right, click on get shareable link. All right. Next to anyone with a shareable link, click on the down arrow. Choose whether people can edit or view. Copy and paste the link in an email and or place where you want to share it. Okay. So this is saying you're going to get a shareable link and you're going to share it with other people. Okay.
Yep.
Right, so let's have a go at doing that. You can close the help because I can remember all that because I've done it before, luckily. Okay. Right. Okay. If you're on that file, if you just point at the file, we're not going to do it for folder, we're just going to do it for one file anyway. And right click. Notice it says get shareable link. Go down to that. Click on that. It says loading. And it's come up with a screen. It says get link. All right. See where it's got all that name there. And it says copy link. Click on copy link. Okay. Link copied. Now just click on done. Right. Okay. Now you can do whatever you like with that link. It's now on your clipboard. You can create an email and paste that link into an email, or you can do it via this our chat facility that we've got here. We could do it to show you how we do it with a chat, right? Okay. If you want to go down to we can't see this, so we're better off probably doing it with an email. We'll just pretend we're doing it with an email and do it with me only, and then I'll get it to everybody else. Okay, so go into your email program, Chris. You got your email down there?
Yeah. What's that? That's not it.
Oh, you use a web email, do you?
No, I should have had it here, but it's gone somewhere or other.
Okay, well you can create a new one. Up the top there where you've got the plus symbol, click on the plus. No, you're still. Now go back to your Chrome browser again.
Yeah.
Click there. Okay. Click on that one. Doesn't matter. Anyone. All right. Up the top where it's got Facebook, you got
These things here.
Click on the plus. That's up the top, right up the top. There. Click there. Yeah. Okay. It's going to open a new tab. It will in a minute, hopefully. Yeah, new tab. There we are.
Yeah.
So the Chrome one. Yeah. Hold on. In a minute. Oh, you haven't got. Okay. Well, just type in Gmail and it'll take you.
Look, I can do it here. I can do it here.
Oh, there. Okay, do it there. Click on there. Yeah, that'll work. Right. Okay, it's opening up your Gmail. Okay. Righto. Compose a new message. So it's create compose. It's coming up.
No, it's slow. Why is that?
I don't know. It's still loading.
Loading.
There's a thing that says there's an error at the bottom. Just click on that. Click the X to dismiss that. Click on compose again. There we go. Okay, just type in Jeff. You got my name there somewhere?
Yeah, I just put Jeff.
Yeah, there we are. Click on me. Okay, subject, you can say test sharing.
Sharing.
Okay. Now, normally you would write, this is the document I went to send you, but then you just simply right-click. If you right-click inside there, right-click, and go down to paste. There you are. There's the link, right? If you click on send now, you're sending me that link. Okay, someone needs access to the file. Share with one person, you. Turn link sharing on. Turn link share, anyone with a link. Click on anyone with a link. That'll do. Click on that one.
Yeah.
That one, yeah. Okay. And click on send. Okay, that's it. Now, in a minute, I'll get an email, right? And I can then share that on with other people. I'm just going to go into my emails and click it and get messages, right?
Yeah.
And I'm getting one message. It's coming through now. There it is. All right, just to show you. Oh, where'd it go? Sharing. There it is. I'll show you my screens to show you what it looks like. All right, so I'll share my.
Can I turn my Gmail off?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You can leave it there if you want to. All right. Okay. I'm just going to show you my screen and show you what I've received. All right. So I'm going to do a screen. I'm going to do a screen share now. I'm going to share content. I'm going to share my screen. All right. Okay. Share my screen. That's you people there, and I'm going to my email. Resume the recording. Okay. Okay. So Reg, if you want to do a screen share for us, share your screen. Do you remember how to?
Share content.
Yeah.
And screen one, share.
Yep, that'll do it. And now we can see your screen. Okay, righto. All right, when we did new before, right, what were the things that came under new?
Folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs.
Okay, so how do you think we'd create a new Google Docs?
Click on Google Docs.
Okay, I'll have a go at it. And there you are, there's a document all ready to go. It's just like Microsoft Word, okay? The only difference is we're doing all the processing on the cloud. So this is cloud processing, Chris. All the processing is on the cloud. So you can type whatever you like. Type a few words, Reg. Okay. Okay. You can even correct mistakes, Reg.
How do you do that, Jeff?
I don't know, Reg. You tell me. There we are. Good on you. Okay. Okay. Go down to the next line. All right. Just one other little thing which I've got in my notes to be able to do, which I'll mention. Right. Is not only you can do this, and I'm not sure if this is going to work at this stage, because Reg and I did a training course on this, and if you want to have a look it up, you can look on it. Not only can you actually type, but if you go to the Tools menu there, Reg, go to Tools, go up to Tools, and the menu says File, Edit, one that says Tools, over to the left, up high, the wording, the word that says Tools. That one, yeah. Click on that. And go down to where it says voice typing. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not.
Voice typing.
Click on that. Okay. It says click to speak. I want you to click on that and then say, everybody have a nice day. Click on the microphone itself.
Everybody.
No, you've got to click on use your microphone. Allow.
Everybody have a nice day.
No, click on the microphone again. Now say it.
Everybody have a nice day.
Ooh, look.
Success.
And click. Okay, there you are. Now, if you want to know more about this, by the way, so what's happening is Reg's voice was going over the internet to the Google Drive server. The Google Drive server, by the way, I need to explain this, which is not one computer, it could be hundreds, if not thousands of computers, analyzes his voice, converts the voice to text, and sends it back again. That's all being done in the cloud. This is cloud processing, not cloud storage, cloud processing. It's now stored. What you just typed is, well, actually stored. And there we go. All right, let's go get some extra text. We're going to do this for, and I will paste it in there. See, you've got Google Drive search results. Where's the other? You haven't got the other one going of my webpage, Reg.
No, I don't think so.
On your other computer, is it?
I don't know where it is, Jeff.
Okay.
It's probably in Hangouts.
Okay. All right. I'll just pause this for a minute, and we'll go. What we're going to do is go get some text and put it in there, and then we're going to be able to we'll share this document in Google Drive. We'll do that in a minute. I'll just pause the video for a second. Okay, pause it. You'll see now that we've actually done. We didn't actually record how to do it, so we might have to do this a second time. Give another person a go at the document and record it a second time. And do we want to do it again just to prove that it can be done? Someone else want to have a go at it? And that way I'll record it when we do it. Because I didn't record. Okay, this is Chris. And Chris is going to create a new Google Docs. And then she's going to share that Google Docs document with Roger and Reg. And they're going to type in on that same document. All right? So, how do you do it? Can you remember, Chris? Something new? No. That's why we record those things, okay?
I know,
It's something new, wasn't it? It's Google Docs, remember? So you're going to do something new. So what's new? Where's it say new? There we are. Good. And what are we doing?
Folder.
No, Google Docs.
Google Docs.
Yep. It gives you a blank Google Doc. Right.
Right.
Now you can start typing, right? Now normally we would copy something in. So you can start typing. Type two questions you want to ask. One question for Roger and one question for Reg. So put their name first. Okay, press enter a couple of times. Press enter.
Where do I go from here?
Okay. Okay, now press enter a couple of times.
Enter, enter, enter.
Press the enter key.
Now, Roger, is it?
Yeah. Now enter a couple more times. Oh, that'll do. Roger, yeah?
Yeah, I can cope.
Another question for Roger. Different one. I like your questions, Chris. Okay. Click on got it. Click on got it.
Got it now?
Yeah, click on the word got it. There's that spelling grammar suggestion. It's asking you if you want suggestions. Let's click on got it.
I see, yeah.
Okay. Now, you've created a document. That's not a problem. By the way, you don't even have to save it. All right? But now you're going to share it. How do you share it? Look at the screen. What would you do to share it?
Up here.
Well, yeah, great.
Click on that.
Yeah. Yep.
Name before sharing.
So we say test questions we'll do.
Righty. Test. Test question. Save.
Yep. Okay. Now it's going to come up and say, how do we want to do this? You can add people and groups. You can put their email address in. You can do get a link, or do a copy link. We'll do it that way. All right.
Copy link.
Yep. Okay, that's done. All right. Now you've copied a link, and then we're going to say how we're going to use that link when we actually put it in the email. So go up to where it says your emails, which up on is it the leftmost one, or you've got one at the right as well?
Yeah, there.
Either one.
What do I do with this? Do I get rid of it or what?
Yeah, you can leave that. Doesn't matter. Leave it there.
Leave it there.
Okay.
Go to email.
Right, I'll wait till it comes up. The only trouble with your computer is it's a bit slow, Chris, but it's getting there.
Yeah, but funny, we looked at it just now and it wasn't, was it? You know.
No, the internet was fast. It's your computer that's slow.
Oh,
right? And the other thing, the internet was fast a while ago. Okay.
How do I do that? How do I fix that?
Well, can we talk about that another time? All right.
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Compose.
Down the bottom, it's got dismiss. It says error checking for mail. Just dismiss that. Click on the X there. Okay. All right. Compose a new message. By the way, that was the one you got from Reg before. Okay.
Right.
We're going to send the message to Roger. Just type Roger. R-O.
G.
There we are. His name come up. Click on that one.
Click on that.
Yep. Going to send a message to Reg. R-E-G for Reg. Oh, click up on. You already jumped down to 2. Click up. No, you're up in the subject. Click on where to the right of the word Roger.
Subject.
No. Click up where it's got Roger. Oh, you've already got Reg in it. And you want me as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Click to the right of the word name King. Click there, and just type Jeff. Just type Jeff. There I am. Okay. In the subject, you can say, Chris, my shared link or whatever. Okay. Now in the body of the message, right?
Yeah.
You'd normally type, some explanation, but we won't worry about that. Just right click, because you've still got it copied, right? You copied the link, so right click.
I didn't copy this. Oh, copied the link.
Yes, you did. We did in the other thing. Click on paste, and there it is. That link.
Oh.
Remember when we said get shared link and it said copy? We did it there. Now just click on send.
Share with
3 people. Okay, we want to make it so they can edit. So it's got view there. So go up where it's got the little triangle with the view.
Click on the triangle.
Yep. And go down to edit.
Edit.
And click on send. Notice there's also an option there to comment. That means allows people to comment on your thing, put comments on the document, but not actually edit it. Okay. Right. Okay, if you just want to go back to your thing, I don't know which tab it is. It's the second tab from the right up the top. It says test something. That one, yeah. Click there. Okay. You can just close that window now. Just click on got it, which means you've got it. Okay.
And then what?
And click on done. Okay, there we are. Rightio. Now at some stage, Roger and Reg, if you want to go to your email, you should get receiving an email from Chris. Rightio. And you can click on that thing and you can answer Chris's questions. And by the way, you'll notice this is all, even though we're doing this live at the moment, right? If we're doing this live, you probably wouldn't need to do this. people do this, and they can collaborate on how it's done, but they don't actually have to be there. You don't have to actually call up the document then. They could be working on your document when you're not even looking at your document. Now, I'm looking at the screen coming up at the moment, and on Chris's screen, you can see Roger is typing on your screen. Can you see that appearing, Chris?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Now, have you got your one up, Reg?
No.
Go to your emails and check it and see what is coming up.
How do I go to the emails?
You just get the normal way you go to your emails. There'll be a tab on your screen which has got the M for email on there, and you can see Chris's email.
No, I can't see it.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm just pointing out on this screen at the moment. I'll come back to you in a second, Reg. That Roger's actually typing. We're looking at actually Chris's screen, and Roger's typing on his computer, but it's coming up on Chris's screen because it's going through the cloud. We're doing cloud processing. The processing has all been done. It's all being stored on a computer by Google, but as you're typing it, you're seeing it actually happening as she's typing. So the processing, it's cloud processing, not cloud storage. It's storage and processing in this case. All right, I'm going to stop sharing that, and we'll get Chris. Do you know how to share your screen, Reg, from this point on, or you don't want to do it? You want to do it?
I can't do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What screen are you looking at, Reg? I'll just switch off Chris's sharing. Hold on a second. In fact, do you know how to switch off your sharing, Chris, to go up to the
Well, I
top?
should do it. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I think so. Stop sharing. There it is.
Okay, click on stop sharing.
Just
I think
came down.
someone might have deleted everything. The screen
Oh.
went blank. Okay, we're back again. Okay,
Right.
Reg, you can see us, can you all? Can you see us all?
Yes,
Yes.
I can.
Okay, do a screen share, Reg. All right, I'm just going to pause. Because we've done this, I'll pause it. Now we've got Reg. Now we've got Reg is typing on Chris's document. Roger had already typed in Chris's document, and Reg is now typing on Chris's document, and I'm recording it. Okay. All right. And he's got a very good poignant comment. Okay, I'll just stop the recording again. Okay, pause recording. Okay. So I'm not recording this again now. Now, if we go up to a particular screen, this screen here, why is it not doing that? Okay. All right. Okay.
Is that your phone, Jeff?
No, not my phone.
Okay.
Might be Chris's. All right.
No, not mine.
Okay.
Not mine.
Okay. Over on, whenever you're editing a document, right, if you go to the File menu, under the File menu, it's got a thing called Version History. You can name current version history, or you can see the version history. If I click on that now, it'll open up a new window and show you all the versions of this document.
Oh.
And you can see there, it's showing me the people that have worked on it. Right, I'll just move this out of the way. Okay. And it shows all the version history of all the people that worked on it. Right?
Right.
Okay. However, just to show you how far back you can go, I'll just close this one. Right? I'm going to close that document. If I get rid of this off the screen. I can't do that. Why can't I do that?
Well, it says total 7 edits. You could go through that, couldn't you, to go back or
You
forward?
can go through each of the edits and look at all those edits.
Yeah.
I can't actually see that at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh. But I just wanted to show you another one. Yeah. What does it say today? Okay. I can't see where it says total 7 edits. But anyway. All right. I'm going to click up another one. Right. Watch this one. If I go over here, and I've got untitled document. I use the same document in Google Drive over and over and over again. And you'll notice when it comes up here, it's just called untitled document. So when it comes up, which will be, might take it a while, it's going to show me I've got edits of this document going back 5 or 6 years. See, I actually created one called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Stuff like that. If I go up to the file menu again now, when this lets me, it should be a minute because it's still bringing up the pages. Come on, hurry up. It's blanked out.
Must be a lot of pages looking at the slide bar on the right-hand side.
I haven't got it. It's not coming up yet. Come on. Don't know why. Mine's very, very slow. I don't, so you can, okay, there it is. Now it's loaded. Okay. If I see the file menu now, go to file and go to, come on, very slow. Go to version history. No, it's not going to show me. Damn. Normally if I go to version history, it gives me all the links to the latest one I've got. It's not going to come up yet because I must have done a new version of some sort. But I had version history of this file going back years after years after years after years. Because what I do each time, I go into the document and I delete all the text and type another one. Delete all the text, type another one. Delete all the text, type another one. And it wasn't until I went into version history on the left-hand side that actually came up and gave me, I could find out all the history of all the versions that I made. So every time I made a change to the file, it would record it, right? So that's very, very handy, much better than Microsoft Word or even LibreOffice or something like, because it's all done online. The other advantage is too, if I were to lose it off my computer, it's still there. My computer completely go dead. I can still get access to all these files. Okay.
Yep.
All right, we're running out of time now, so I'll stop my sharing. I'll stop the recording. Pause the recording. Pause.